Hey everybody, it's Mike from Land & Custom Classics here. Just got back from the Cal Ranch store. Bought me one of these M18 fuel weed eaters. I've been out here messing with my gas one. Got it running okay, but I got to get parts for the head and everything else. So instead of wasting a bunch of money on that right now, I just went and bought this M18 one, and we're going to put this together here. Here's the shaft there. It has a really nice speed loader head on it. We're going to loosen this sucker up here, shove this in here the right way. Okay, she's locked in there. Get her to where she's centered. Got to pull this out so the nut stays in the piece that holds it. Tighten that up good. Then here shortly we're going to go get our battery off the charger, and then we'll do a little demo here. Like, got 4 little screws that go in there. Must be these little guys here. Then we'll figure out what we got for our handle. There's a little handle piece that goes on here to hold on to. These little Torx. It comes with a nice little Torx wrench. Put these on here. Gonna put them in the hole here. Wish Torx had that little deal on the end like an Allen wrench, so you can put it in the other way and make it go fast like. We're gonna get this going. We'll see how this performs. It's supposed to run for about an hour on a charge. As if you ever dealt with string trimmers, the little 2-stroke ones, man, sometimes you got to replace them every year or two, and that gets pretty pricey. And then you got to mix your gas. That gets pricey. Buying all the oil to mix your gas, and you got to buy good ethanol-free gas so it doesn't kill them. So I had a Cal Ranch price match Ace Hardware, so they gave this to me for $279. Their price on it was $329. So I was smart there. Brought up the ad, showed them what they had it on Ace Hardware, got them price match it, so that saved me some money there. But yeah, shop around, save money. That's what it's all about. But yeah, we'll put this guy together and see how it performs compared to a gas one. See if it holds its own. I know it said these weren't super powerful, like to do what a big brush cutter or something would do, but they'll do the job of a good weed eater. And I got to take care of my boss's place, so I do a lot of weed eating and that. Over there, they pay for the gas and that. Sometimes I bring my own, because especially my 2-stroke, I make sure I get good quality gas, and I make sure I mix it properly. We'll go over that in another video, because I got a really cool little mixer cup that I bought at the Power Sports shop, and I use that because then you don't have problems. That's going to be a little interesting there. Well, we got this right side up. Got dirt all over it now already, but I got this right side up. Oh, okay. That's your lock. Okay, your trigger's up here. It does have a regular style trigger. It has this lock piece you got to push down, and then you pull the trigger. We'll go get the battery here in a minute. I'll pause it for a second and go get the battery. Where's my handle piece here? I know I took it out while I was at the store. Okay, so see what we got to do with this one. This should go on here somewhere around here, but it's got its own hardware. Should be in here. See if we can find that. say this just came like this, so didn't have anything in the little bag with it. You might have to dump this out. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, yep, we're going to put it up here. So, it's a nice sticker right there. It says place handle here. It's got its own little bolts. I think they're the same little Torx wrench here. Nuts, I believe, drop in the top, and it'll hold them there. We got two different things here. Let's see what that's all about. Okay, where to put that sucker? Okay, so it's got a metal one that sits in the top here, like so. Make sure there's no difference here. No. Okay, then you put your nuts in the top of here. So sometimes you gotta spend money to get your good tools so you can do stuff when you're running, like lawn mowing, stuff like that. Luckily my boss has a riding mower they bought and they maintain that, but their weed eater, it's kind of a mess, and I chopped my toe off with it once. So we're not using that anymore. Got one of them crazy ones with the brush cutter on it. And I was cutting brush with it, and I hit a rock and chopped my toe off. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna buy my own good tools and use them. I don't like being without toes. I actually put my pinky toe back on myself out in the barn with some cotton and good stuff. My doctor was looking at that at my last appointment and goes, wow, you really did a job on that. Who sewed it, who put it back on? I said, I did. Oh, okay. Doctors don't know what to think when you tell them you put your own toe back on, but I don't like going to doctors much, even though I have free medical through the VA and that, but still don't like to see doctors. They're always trying to give you bad news, so just stay away from them. Okay, so we'll roll this over. Put our handle, get it about in the spot here. What you're gonna do, it says place here, but here's what you do. Get this hold of it and put it where it feels good for you. Like, I'm a tall guy, I got a big stance, so right down against that handle is gonna be my spot. Okay, so we're gonna put it right down against there. So you can bring it up or down where you want it. And I'm gonna take my little Torx steel and finish tightening this. So this also came with an M18 and M12. It says rapid charger. Mine doesn't say rapid charger. I don't know. So we plugged it in. Gonna try it out, see how it works. I have so many Milwaukee chargers, it's ridiculous. So I've been buying up a bunch of Milwaukee tools, which everybody knows costs a dang fortune. Nothing about mechanicking and yard work and doing things that's cheap anymore. I do fix a lot of lawnmowers and sell them to people. Can't afford all this new pricey stuff. I'm one of them. I say my dad, he's had problems with his lawnmower, and luckily I'm here to fix it for him. So he's got a pretty nice riding lawnmower he's taking care of. And last winter he left gas in it, and the gas ended up going through the carburetor, even with the little electric shut-off deal they put on them, and filled this crankcase full of gas. So yeah, this is much lighter than your conventional string trimmer. Even with the battery on here, I think it'll be a good bit smaller. We'll take care of that dirt there with my awesome knife here I got from my YouTube sister Nico. Clean that up. We're gonna take care of our tools, because you take care of your tools, they'll last longer. They'll take care of you. So, well, I'm gonna run in. I'll pause you guys. It has two different speed modes here. It has turtle and rabbit. So we'll check that out. I'll go grab a battery real quick, and then we'll go over here in the garden and do a little demo with it. Okay, so I got all these little weeds right here by my car in the mailbox. So this came with a high output 8 amp hour, the high output XC 8.0 red lithium M18 battery. For the price I paid for it, I got the battery too. There we go. Cutter works good. It's got an auto load head, real nice. And this one, it even has red little deals to show you. When you line up these red deals, you just push your new line through here and you pull about probably 8 foot or so out the other side. And then you just twist it. Tells you which way to wind it. And it automatically just loads itself. You just cut it off when you're done. Real quiet. Don't have to wear my earmuffs. I like to listen to music while I'm doing lawn work, so that'll help. Push her little button here, turtle, see what that does. Turn her down some. Turn her back to rabbit. Good bit faster. I didn't grab my goggles. Should have my goggle gang goggles so I don't get stuff in my eye, because this is flinging things everywhere, all over my dad's truck, all over my nice car. So I don't want to do too much right now anyway, because I got to go to work and do lawn here in a little bit. So I got to get this battery fully charged. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this so far. Maybe we'll do a little video later. My hat come undone there. Do a little video later, tell you how I feel about it after doing some lawn jobs with it. But thanks everybody for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and that's pretty much everything I've got in Milwaukee so far. I really enjoyed. So they're a pretty good quality tool. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. Catch you on the next one.